Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Chevy's 2003 to 2025 short wheelbase Express 1520-500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturers' safety precautions and specifications. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the vehicle and clear any lines or brackets blocking the work area. Then, remove the hitch receiver. Step 3. Inspect the rear body mount, spare tire crossmember, and leaf spring mount. If these need replaced or the frame under them is compromised, remove them. If not, remove the perforations in the frame kit. Step 4. Paint the inside of the frame kit with rust protectant prior to installation. Once dry, slide the frame kit in place on the rail, using the frame holes for alignment. C-clamp the section in place. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then weld all edges of the frame section. If you did not remove the perforations in Step 3 and remove the factory parts instead, install replacements now and fill in the perforation lines via welding. Step 6. Paint the remainder of the frame section as well as the rest of the work area with rust protectant. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 7. Reinstall any lines or brackets that were moved in Step 3. Use the included hardware for the hitch receiver. The torque specs are as follows: dry, 93 pound-feet, lubed, 69 pound-feet.